Hello friends, happy Republic Day to all. This is Priyanka, your English trainer. Welcome to the Daily English Vocabulary Dose 24. So these are our today's vocabulary words. In the end, I'll ask a question. Give me answer of that question in comment box. Look at our first word, atone. Friends, atone means make amends. Its Hindi meaning is प्राश्चित करना. Now look at its sentence. The director of the company has expressed a wish to atone for his past times. Its synonym is expiate. Moving to the next word, chortle. Friends, chortle means laugh in a noisy or you can say gleeful way. Its Hindi meaning is खुशी की मुस्कान. Now its sentence, I heard a chortle at the back of the room. Its synonym is giggle. The next word that I have for you is scamper. Scamper means run with quick, light steps. Its Hindi meaning is भाग जाना. The kids were scampering around the yard. Its synonym is scuttle. Moving to the next word, prodigal. Repeat after me, prodigal. It means spending money recklessly. In Hindi it is kharchila. Now look at its sentence. All the family went to the airport to welcome home the prodigal son. Its synonym is extravagant. The next word is insidious. It means gradually and secretly causing harm. Its Hindi meaning is ghatak. Now look at its sentence. Diabetes is an insidious disease. Its synonym is stealthy. Look at the next word, insipid. Friends, insipid means lacking taste or flavor. Its Hindi meaning is swadheen or neeras. Now look at its sentence. The exotic herbal tea was insipid. Its synonym is flavorless. The next word that I have for you is gales. Gales means a very strong wind. Its Hindi meaning is tufan or andhi. Now look at its sentence. Hundreds of old trees were blown down in the gales. Its synonym is tempest. The next word that I have for you is moribund. Friends, it means being on the point of death. In Hindi it is marne wala. Now look at its sentence. The patient was moribund by the time the doctor arrived. Its synonym is dying. The next word is goad. Friends, goad means provoke or annoy someone. Its Hindi meaning is uksana. Now look at its sentence. He was trying to goad her into a fight. Its synonym is provoke. Last but not least is doge. Friends, doge means to move quickly to avoid someone or something. Its Hindi meaning is chakma dena ya fir dhokha dena. Now its sentence, don't judge the issue, I want you to answer my question. Its synonym is avoid. Now it's time for the question of the day. What is the synonym of flavorless? A. Moribund, B. Tempest, C. Insipid, D. Giggle. Give me answer of this question in comment box.